Hi there. Let's take a look at what's going on with your Chapter 8 submission. So I've opened up the macro-enabled workbook. It accepts the data. All of your data validation is terrific. I've entered some data to start the invoice. When I use I'm just going to expand this a little bit. When I use the button to run the clear invoice macro, I get an error. And you can see that the invoice isn't cleared. So what that tells me is that when you were recording the macro, somewhere this error happens first so that the other steps are not completed. So I'm going to hit N to get rid of that window, and I'm going to take a look at the macros that you have existing. So I think that the macro you have, well, at any rate, so you have more than one macro. I tested a couple others, so I'm going to try this second one. Is that the one? I'm going to run that one. Okay, that's the one. I think you have the second one tied to the button. So I'm going to end because it doesn't clear it. I get the error message. I'm going to go back to the list of macros and I'm going to try the first one here. And I'm going to run that. And that gives me the same error message, but do you see it clears the invoice? And I suspect, I got to just go look at the script, but I suspect that this error message is only on my machine. So I think the only problem with your submission is that you've tied the wrong macro to the button. That's all I think you have to correct for that. I just wanted to show it to you so you knew what I was dealing with on my end, which is sometimes hard. All the other work for this chapter was really well done.